Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Click on another video. Look at the screen in front of you. There's two young men. One on the right is Tillet, that's Shiny Tillet's son. Me I show the Shiny Tillet picture in a sec. But the other youth is from Taylor Alley, the Taylor Alley gang. Now, I did a video, you guys can check it out. It's on Arthur Young. Arthur Young is the dude from Taylor Alley. Him used to run the Taylor Alley gang. And him killed Pinky Tillet at a convenience store when the man get in him truck. At a gas station. You see when him walk up and come out of the car, obviously two car was there watching Pinky Tillet, and him kill him, and then police catch him, and them say he tried to disarm a police officer, and them shoot Arthur Young and kill him. So Arthur Young is from Taylor Alley gang. Now, Taylor Alley gang and the George Street gang, them a war for years. But it seems like George Street always a war with everybody, with all the gang them.
Reference the murder of Gerald Tillet, which occurred on Thursday. We have since arrested and charged Khalif Caceres, 18 years, Belizean labourer of West Street, for the crime of murder.
Okay, is this young man affiliated with Pregnant Alley or the Taylor's Alley group, as the case may be?
Yes, he's affiliated to that area.
Okay, and then is there surveillance video?
Yes, we are looking at surveillance video. We're reviewing it, and we are gathering further information in regards to this murder.
So you hadn't answered if the George and Church Street shooting is a direct retaliation of this.
Well, that is a possibility, but we are not certain. We are seeking other suspects in regards to the shooting. All information we have that these persons were socializing, and persons came there and fired the shots.
It's crazy, cause you hear the reporter ask him if this is a retaliation. You know what I'm saying? And he said no, he don't know about, yes, there are Taylor Alley gang, and he don't really want to say it, but it's a long feud that's been going on for a long time. You know what this remind me of? This remind me of the war in West Kingston with Tivoli and Denham Town. It also remind me of the war in a Cockburn Pen. And it also remind me of the war down at Seaview Yard. Remember me tell you, I know I'm not a messiah, but the outcome of this war is detrimental. I'm going to show you some more things about that warrior, so you can draw the conclusion. One thing about them warrior, them take on a mind of their own. For example, this young boy who killed Tillet Jr. Nobody never do him nothing. I do none of him family them nothing. But because him living at the Taylor Alley area, and he's a young youth, the man them program him. Now, there's one thing I notice about Belize. Out of all of the Caribbean country, well, Belize in South America, please, I don't need anybody correct me. Because sometimes I'm doing so much content, I get confused, and I just leave it. I don't edit, I just try to keep it real. But one thing I notice about Belize. Belize have the most out of all of them country that we do on the vlog with the gangs. Belize have the youngest set of assassinator them. Believe me, you have like 14-year-old, you will see them thing that pop up in a Jamaica, you know, and Trinidad and other places. Even in America have 500 million people. No, but Belize, for some reason, there is more underage killer, murderer, assassinators than any other country. And if you guys don't believe me, you guys can do the research yourself. It is a very, very dicey place. So them kill Shiny Tillet. First it was Pinky Tillet, that he was leader at George Street. Then them kill him, the big brother Shiny. And after that, a whole bunch of other people, a man dead. And like me say in another video, them kill Shiny Tillet's son. And the youth were killing him get arrested. Now, me have another video coming after this. I'm working on it. And it a more of the Tillet family them, yo. This thing is crazy. Last but not least, before I go, the gang war in Belize is fueled by a family. So like when you have George Street gang, it's not just Pinky Tillet and Shiny Tillet, Shiny Tillet Jr., and it just seems like it's a legacy. Whereas in other places, like you even said Jamaica, it's not too much like that. And yeah, your family and the people them is enabling and hide the gang member them in a Jamaica. But you won't have the family them, like brothers and sisters, sort of repping the gang. In Belize, that's the way it is. I don't know why, and I don't know where that culture come from. With that said, me I call upon court jester. That's the police chief. He needs to do a better job. Belize is kind of in a bad neighborhood, but it is not that bad where them can maintain the right law and order in them country. What's really sad, Belize is a rich country with 400,000 people, twice the size of Jamaica. With 400,000-500,000 people, that's cowboy lunchtime. Everybody should have health care, school should have free, everything should have dip on the up and up. But as you see, in those places, it's straight drugs money, big time drugs playing. Colombia they right there, so Mexico yeah, so this that, and the confusion goes on, and them always neglect the poor. Same thing. Anyways, I know I'm not a messiah, but I am a messiah. Now let me stop. But I am preaching this kind of stuff because it really bothers me. I am about to go. I want you guys to stay tuned for the next couple videos coming out of Belize, and it's gonna be related to this one. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Click on another video. Country girl, big up yourself. Blessed John Crow. Why your name official? and Trini Boss 1, Trini Boss 2. And me did have a little friend out in Arizona. Them stop link me, but I know nothing. Me still check for them and respect them. The person know who I'm talking. Peace. I'm out of here.